Hi everyone, welcome to all of you in a 7th standard history. We are learning the second lesson, that is India before the time of Shivaji Maharaj, second chapter of our history, that we are learning the India before the time of Shivaji Maharaj. In that we have seen invasion of from the northwestern region there. In that invasions we saw that which government bodies or which ruling power, which kings or the powers ruled, they came, they attacked, we saw. Along with that we saw the information about the Sultanate, the Delhi Sultanate, Altamash, that we have seen their generation. We saw that in the Delhi there. So how the what is there, Qutbuddin Aibak, he became the ruler of Delhi Sultanate, that also we saw. So next point, that is the kingdom of Vijayanagar. Next one point, that is the kingdom of Vijayanagar kingdom there. So during the region of the Sultanate, Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq, when the Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he was the ruler, he was the Sultan of Delhi. So during his time we saw that there were many revolts in the south against the central power of Delhi. Many revolts were there. There many oppositions were there in the central power of Delhi when the Sultanate Muhammad bin Tughlaq, or Muhammad bin Tughlaq, when he was the ruler of Delhi, there were at that time a number of the revolts were there. Oppositions. People of the local power, they oppose him in the his south power there in the south regions. From those revolt arose against Muhammad bin Tughlaq, there was a formidable two powers emerged in the south. One is the Vijayanagar and one is the Bahmani kingdom. Two revolts were more successful, more strong against the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and these two revolts, they established their own power in the south. That is, first one is the Vijayanagar kingdom and second one is the Bahmani kingdom. The brother of Harihar and Bukka from the south India were the Sardar in the service of Delhi Sultanate. Brother of Harihar and Bukka, these were the two brothers, they were the Sardar in the service of Delhi Sultanate. They were the two Sardar from the south in the service of Delhi Sultanate. Means these two brothers, they were the Sardar, they were looking after south provinces of our country. Harihar and Bukka, these two persons, they were the Sardar from the southern side and they represent the Delhi Sultanate. Taking advantage of the instability in the south, during the region of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, they founded the kingdom of Vijayanagar in the south in the year 1336. They saw that in Delhi's empire or in Delhi's kingdom there was a political instability was there. Delhi power or Sultanate of Delhi was not stable, not strong. It was unstable situation or the condition is there. Not that much good condition atmosphere, that there is a variation, diverse differences there in the opinions or in the Sardar or the leaders there. Internal crisis were there, oppositions was more there. So they saw this situation was unstable. It was a right opportunity for them and they took the advantage of this opportunity there. And taking the advantage of this opportunity, they form their own kingdom, that is Vijayanagar kingdom in the south in the year 1336. See, so in this year, these Harihar and Bukka, these two brothers, they established their own kingdom there in the south. Hampi in Karnataka, which is today's in Karnataka, it became the first capital of Vijayanagar kingdom. Hampi is a city there. Now also in present time, today's time also, it is in Karnataka. In Google or in YouTube also, if you type that Hampi, then you will get the information. So it is Hampi, this place, it became the capital city of Vijayanagar kingdom. Harihar was the first king of Vijayanagar kingdom. That Harihar, he was the first king of Vijayanagar kingdom. When this kingdom was established, when this power was established in the south by revolting against the Sultanate of Delhi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So at that time, Hampi became the capital and Harihar became became the first ruler or the king of Vijayanagar kingdom. Harihar was succeeded by his brother Bukka. Harihar, he was succeeded by his brother Bukka. Bukka brought the region up to the Rameshwar under his control. After the Harihar, his brother Bukka became the king of Vijayanagar kingdom, and he brought the region up to the Rameshwar under his control. Rameshwar means up to the end of the total south there of our country. That up to that region he brought under his control, and that was added to the Vijayanagar kingdom. So next part we'll take tomorrow. Thank you.